In this video, I will show you how you can freeze the rows and columns in Google Sheets. So you can freeze multiple columns and rows. So basically, what you have to do is that you have to go to the cell. Let us say I want to freeze the left column, also the first column, and then this top row, first row. So what you have to do is that you have to focus on the cell where this column and this row is intersecting. So they are intersecting over here. So I am highlighting this cell. Then just go to view, freeze, and then here you can select either one row or two rows. So I want to freeze first row, so I'm selecting first row, and also I want to freeze the first column as well. So I'm just gonna come again and then click on first column. So you can see that these thick lines are being shown over here. That means those things have been frozen. So the first row and this column. So even if I scroll down, you can see that this particular row is being visible. And if I scroll to the right side, the first column has been visible as well. And same way you can freeze the first two rows and first two columns, or first three rows and first three columns. Okay, so let us do this for the second row and the second column as well. So again, go to view, freeze, and then here you can do two rows or up to two rows. Let us select two rows, and you can see that now this thick line was over here, now it has come down to here. And the same way that is for the column as well, two columns. So you can see that this particular line was over here for before, and now it has come to over here. So now if you scroll down, you can see that first two rows are frozen. That means they're always visible, and same thing happens with the column as well. That's it. Thanks for watching.